Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Thanks for visiting Tarina channel. You can subscribe and click notification if you are not yet subscribed so you don't miss for next video. In this chance I will talk about participle. What is participle? A participle is a verb where we can find the verb and adjective. It means verbal adjective. For example, look at the frying chicken. Here frying become verb and describe the chicken. Let's see some example in present participle form. 1. The sleeping baby looks very cute. The non-finite verbs that have ing or at as suffixes and cause the verb to sleep and adjective are called participles. 2. The prince kissed the sleeping beauty. 3. I saw the farmer watering the field. 4. The boys played football while raining. The crying child make mother angry. Now we continue with past participle form. I give some example. 1. Excited about dinner, Alfina and Rania ran the whole way home. Excited is the past participle and excited about dinner is the participle phrase. The participle phrase modifies Alfina and Rania. 2. The boy had a broken arm. 3. Melissa's hair was well brushed, in spite of the old car, as it is always maintained. The last, perfect participle form. See the example. 1. Having eaten his dinner, Martina Schultz went to sleep. 2. Having written the letter, she bought an envelope. 3. Having spoken her mind, she felt more at ease. Okay, finish my explanation and we continue our discussion later. Thank you for your watching Tarina channel. And remember, always stay on this channel and please don't forget to subscribe Tarina channel if you are not yet subscribed so that we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination for senior high school in my next video. See you soon.